Hello, this is the question 8 of homework 7. So the first one, uh, this is a Poisson process, and we know that xt equals so this, and first question is from the ext. So it's this ext. It means that uh, which is from k from 0 to infinity, and k multiply the probability, which is e minus lambda t, multiply lambda t k times over this. So you can get this from another formula. So we know that this is the probability, and the one we get k from 0 to infinity. So the probability which sum up, it is equals to 1. And we make this part to the right side, so we know it is this. And we derive t on each side, so which is this d dt lambda t k equals to d dt e lambda t, and this part is uh, k multiply lambda, and this is lambda t k minus 1 over k, and the right side is lambda e lambda t. So this is sigma here, which is k from 0 to infinity, and we can uh, take lambda on each side, so there is no lambda here, and we multiply lambda t on each side. This is no k minus 1, this is k, and this is lambda t, and we take e lambda t on the left side, so this is k from 0 to infinity k e minus lambda t, this is lambda t k times over k, and it is equals to lambda t. So this is what is ext, and the right side is lambda t, so ext equals to lambda t. And second part is calculate rt1 t2. So rt1 t2, it is equals to ex t1 multiply x t2. So we know that this is a Poisson process, and which means when the n from 0 to t, it is for example 10 from 1 n from n to t1, it is independent to n t1 t2. 1 t2 is larger than t1. So from this we can get this to this, like ext1 as the former, and the right side is changed to xt2 minus xt1 plus xt1. So we can take it in two parts. It is e x t1 multiply x t2 minus x t1 plus e x squared t1. And this is equals to x t1 minus x uh, this is equal to, so because n from 0 to t1 is independent to n from t1 to t2, so this can be like this. So because they are independent, so this is ex t2 minus x t1 plus e x squared t1. So ext1 is, we know that ext equals to lambda t, so this is equals to lambda t1 multiply, this is lambda t2 minus lambda t1 plus e x squared t1. So now what we should do is calculate this part. So we know that ext1 xt squared equals to k squared e minus lambda t squared over k. So to calculate this, we know that this is equals to lambda t. And we also take this part on the right side. So this is, and we also derive it by t. So we can get this. And the left side is k squared lambda t k minus 1 k, and the right side is lambda t plus lambda squared t lambda t. And we can take lambda on each side. So this is 1. And we also can multiply lambda t on each side. So this is k, and this should have a lambda t. And we take the e lambda t on the left side. So we got k squared e minus lambda t k over k equals 1 plus lambda t. So this is equals to ex squared of t. And we take this into this part. So this is 1 plus lambda t multiply lambda t. And from, because this is t1, so this is t1, this is t1. And so we can get the answer is lambda squared t1 t2 minus lambda squared T1 square plus lambda T1 plus lambda square T1 square. So these two are cancelled. So the answer is lambda square T1 T2 plus lambda T1. This is 1 T2 larger than T1. So when T1 larger than T2, the answer we can just change the T1 to T2 and T2 to T1. So the answer is lambda square T1 T2 plus lambda T2. So combine the answers together. So the last answer is lambda square T1 T2 plus lambda multiply the minimum of T1 and T2. So this is the answer to the R T1 T2.